How to use SafePal Wallet with Ledger. Are you facing issues to use SafePal Wallet with Ledger? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To use your Ledger hardware wallet with SafePal, first make sure your Ledger device is set up and connect it with your computer. Open the SafePal app on your phone and go to your hardware wallet section. Choose Add Wallet and select Ledger from the option. Once select the option, follow on the screen instruction to pair your Ledger device with the SafePal app, usually scanning a QR code or connecting through Bluetooth if supported. Once connected, you can view your Ledger wallet balances in SafePal and securely sign in transactions using your Ledger device. This integration allows you to manage the assets safely while keeping your private keys offline on Ledger. And if you are not sure how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out other videos in the channel for full guidance. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.